Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with today's mindset tip. Now, I hear lots of people questioning themselves on should I do this or shouldn't I do it? Now, when we can't decide on a decision, we waste a lot of energy in our brain. It stops us focusing on the things that are important and it stalls our forward momentum and ultimately our results. So here's my tip today. Get a piece of paper and divide it into 3 columns. On the left, you have yes, and on the right, you have no or no, not now. And in the middle, you have your maybes. Everything that you haven't decided on doing, whether it's going out at the weekend, applying for a new job, stepping up in your current role, taking on new staff in your business, whatever it is, write them in the middle, because this is what wastes so much energy. And now take the first one, or the biggest one that's sort of doing your head in, literally, and here are 4 questions that you can use to help you get clarity. So, first of all, before you use the questions, simply spend a few moments writing about the problem. Writing everything you can think about it, like maybe you want to step up for a new job, but you're worried that it might take you away from your family. Maybe it'll give you more stress, it'll keep you in the office more. Maybe the benefits so that you'll have more money, you can pay your house off quicker, you can go on holiday. Just dump it all down. You see, generally we hold on to everything in our mind and we need to remove the energy so we can see it from a different perspective. Now, the 4 questions are these. Number 1, what will happen if I do? And you fill in the blank. What will happen if I do apply for a new job? Second one, what will happen if I don't? Third question, what won't happen if I do? And the 4th question, what won't happen if I don't? Take some time to answer all those questions. You may find some of them harder than others because they're framed in a way that's going to get your mind to think in a direction that it may not be comfortable or familiar with. So there's a reason for that, because you're trying to push your mind out of its stuckness so that you can get the clarity to make a clear decision. So with my work and my clients, I use techniques from M-braining, which is multiple brain integration techniques. Simply put, we have 3 intelligences. We have a head brain, a heart brain, and a gut brain. And sometimes we can get answers from an intelligence that we haven't consulted. However, for now, as I haven't got time to share that, use those questions and set an intention at the beginning that you will make a decision either way. You'll either put it in the yes or the no, or no, not yet. And if you put it over there, you can always come back to it. And even if you make a clear-cut decision, later on you can always redecide. But if you make a decision and you go, yes, I'm going to do this, you're going to free up so much more energy, up to 50% more energy, to help you do the action steps that are necessary to go down that path of the thing you've decided on. You will increase your results, you will feel better, more inspired, and you'll probably get greater results at the end of the day. And most importantly, you'll stop overthinking and fueling stress, which, as we know, is not good for our health and it's not really good for our success and results in life. So I hope that was helpful. If there's any way I can help you, please contact me, Mandy, at mindsetforsuccess.com.au.